Hello ladies and gentlemen, I wish you have a good day. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today, I'd like to introduce you one of our company product. That's the product really popular from our customers. That's our valve assembly. And now I will show you the details of this one. Firstly, you can see the outside packages is this kind of blue VCI roast bag. And here, this is our label. Yeah. And the first line of the label is our Shumatt brand logo, and then it's our product code F00RJ02466, inject control valve. And the applicable inject number is 04451202117, etc. I just read one of them. And this is a QR code. By the way, some customers, if you want the customized service, if you want to design your own logo, the label, the packages, etc., we can support that. We can support the customized service, and then I will open it. Wow, look at this one. And inside, we also package with the plastic bottles, and it can be better prevent some hurt during the transportation. Now you can roll it like this one, and then you will got the inside control valve. This is oil paper. We use the oil paper to wrap it up, and that's the control valve. For this one, it's the 120 series, China made brand new, and then I will show you the details of this one. And you can see that's the whole valve assembly, right? But we also sell the separate one, such as like this valve cap and this valve rod. And firstly, if you come closer, you can find here, on the surface of this valve cap, there has the coating figures in here. This is the valve rod. And for our product, it's really had the high quality, and we have the factory workers and we have the professional staffs. Each items before we send deliveries, our workers will check it and the professional staffs will test it. And after that, we will send out the packages for you. Also, that's why we have confidence to supply with 6 months warranty time to our customers. Yes. And during this period, if you're not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange your product for you. That's all the details. But here, Caitlin wants to share with you the 3 tips. The first tip is, if you want to clean the valve assembly, clean it with the oil. Don't clean it with the water, okay? And the second tip is, if you want install it, make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is, make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly over the inject body. That's all. Okay, so much for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.